Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to do Duet on your YouTube Shorts, right? So if you just want to know how to do this, first of all you have to just go to your YouTube here, and once you go to your YouTube, right, for example I will go into my short section and I can just play this video, right? And here if you want to do this, first of all you have to click on share icon. So if you just click on this, below there's another option, I don't know what it's called, but you can just tap on here and you can use the sound, you can collab, or basically you can do the green screen, you can cut the video. So it's up to you, you can just do whatever you want. It's really easy. For example, if I just go and click on cut the video, right, and here I will just click on continue or start a video, right, and I can just do this, right? So it's really easy, you can just do it and you can use it. I hope you found this video very useful. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.